Feeling a bit sluggish lately? We've all been there, right? Let's talk about something we don't always discuss openly: poop. Or more specifically, how to keep things moving smoothly. Today, we're diving headfirst into a topic that's a bit taboo, but super important: gut health. Specifically, we're exploring 5 delicious drinks that can naturally help relieve constipation and get things moving smoothly. Trust me, you'll want to stick around for this one. And hey, if you've ever experienced that backed up feeling, give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to stick around until the end, as we've got some bonus tips coming up that you won't want to miss. Warm lemon water comes first, a classic. This is not simply a fancy morning beverage. It also aids in digestion starting. Citric acid found in lemons helps boost stomach synthesis of digestive enzymes. Consider your digestive system as a car engine. It needs a tiny spark to get running. Lemon water offers that spark to enable your body to more effectively break down meals. Here's how to make it. Squeeze half a lemon into a glass of warm water. Drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. For a further digestive boost, toss a little cayenne pepper. Capsaicin in cayenne pepper may assist your digestive organs get more blood flow. Okay, I know what you're thinking. Prune juice? Not exactly glamorous, but trust me on this one. This drink has earned its reputation for a reason. Prunes are like nature's little helpers. They have fiber to bulk things up, and a unique sugar called sorbitol, which softens things by drawing water into your intestines and works as a mild laxative. If you're not a fan of the taste, try smoothies, including prunes together with other fruits like berries or bananas. Prunes can also be baked into a good snack, akin to trail mix. Just a small glass of prune juice or a few prunes taken throughout the day can make a significant impact. Next, let's whip up a green smoothie. These are packed with leafy greens like spinach and kale, which are amazing for your gut. Fiber is key for good digestion, and leafy greens have tons of it. Plus, they have chlorophyll, which is like a natural cleanser for your system. Combine a cup of unsweetened plant-based milk, a banana, some berries, such as strawberries or blueberries, and some kale or spinach. For more flavor, add a squeeze of lime or lemon juice. Let us now relax with some herbal tea. Some types can help with digestion rather effectively. Peppermint tea can aid your intestines' muscles relax, thereby lessening of spasms and discomfort. A natural anti-inflammatory, ginger tea, can help ease digestive tract inflammation. Personally, I enjoy sipping ginger tea following a big meal. This is a good and quick approach to help digestion and stop the blooming sensation. Pro tip: for additional zing and to increase vitamin C intake, include a piece of lemon in your ginger tea. Last but not least, we have coconut water. Not only is this drink delicious, but it is also loaded with electrolytes that enable your digestive system to perform as it should. Maintaining good bowel movements depends on coconut water's inherent moisturizing properties as well. Dehydration can harden stools and make them difficult to pass. Pro tip: keep a few cans of coconut water in your fridge for a quick and refreshing pick-me-up, especially on hot days or after a workout. So there you have it. 5 delicious and easy-to-make drinks that can help you keep things moving smoothly in your digestive system. Remember, these are just a few suggestions, and it's always a good idea to listen to your body and consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice, especially if you have any underlying health concerns. You ready for these bonus tips? Here we go. 1. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Water is your body's natural lubricant. Throughout the day, sip lots of it to keep your digestive tract in good working order. 2. Fiber. Your gut's best friend. Load on foods high in fiber, including fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. Fiber makes your feces more bulkful and facilitates intestinal movement. 3. Probiotics. Good guys for your gut. Probiotics abound in fermented foods ranging from yogurt to kefir to sauerkraut and kimchi. These beneficial bacteria help maintain a healthy gut microbiome. 4. Get moving, get grooving. Regular physical activity like walking, jogging, or yoga can stimulate your digestive system and prevent constipation. 5. Chill out, stress less. Stress can wreak havoc on your gut. Practice relaxation techniques like mindfulness, meditation, or deep breathing to keep your digestive system calm and collected. 6. Ditch the processed junk. Processed foods can disrupt your gut health. Opt for whole, unprocessed foods to nourish your body from the inside out. 7. Listen to your body's signals. Pay attention to your body's cues. If you experience persistent digestive issues, consult a healthcare professional. 8. Sleep tight, dream right. Quality sleep is essential for overall health, including gut health. Aim for 7-9 hours of sleep each night to keep your digestive system in tip-top shape. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. And if you found this video helpful, share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.